Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I me say attack. Well, my people, you don't know so from yesterday, people. Boy, them sad story they come out of Jamaica. I understand about these girls keep on being missing. Because after them find the 9-year-old girl, people, and then stay so boom, then you see a 13-year-old girl gone missing out of St.TH0MAS, Jamaica, my people. So right now, people, they are keeping an update, and the latest update when I get now, people, on the 13-year-old girl. Honestly, people, I'm not getting a good update. You understand? I'm not getting no good update. So this 13-year-old girl, people, whose name is Hvnting Barrett, and who went missing yesterday after them said she comes a boom and she got the pig pen, she and her sister, while her sister may stop at the local section, yeah, so, and she by herself go down the pig pen, people, and from there, so them no hear ping nor gunfire for people, you understand, up until date. So now, the police, alongside soldiers from the Jamaica Defense Force, you understand, concerned citizens, the fire brigade, help ministries, you understand, everybody up there, I look for this female, my people. So the latest update when I get now, my viewers and subscribers, as I tell you now, is not a good one, which me hope say, enough for the worst, you understand, because the latest update is saying there, scene of crime. Police in St.TH0MAS have descended on an area of the Plantain Garden River in the parish. Sources say the lawmen have detected what they believe to be bloodstains in a hooded area of the river. Well, my viewers and subscribers, this river is an area where the police and the soldiers are conducting search, you understand, because they believe the man who is the abductor, people, he managed to use this river, you know what I mean, for cut across and go and do what he want to do in the hoods, them people. Well, me a hope and me a pray so the blood stain of them sick. It can be from animal. It don't have to be human people. So them did it and I carry out them. You understand them thing where them a do people and I check for say if I what kind of blood or what people. But as I say, me a hope and pray for the best, my viewers and subscribers. Zane and the residents of St.TH0MAS people in a bath, they were so angry. That's then comes a woman for the abductor, who the alleged abductor, who them say Diers and Brian, the bleach out face thinking thing, my people. Yeah, no joke, man. Attack. Zine, the angry residents up there, people set fire to the house, so them believe him live. Him also them believe him own or rent or we want the people. I'm not wrong them. Sorry, they have one grader or one tractor to push it down. You understand? Or one backhoe to lick it down, people. No joke about it once I feed it. You know what I mean? So them set fire to it, people. Zine. Because right now the people up there, they want to catch it, they want to hold it for deal with it, my viewers and subscribers. They don't know yesterday video did push out or we get the video and them say them catching people, but he managed to escape because after them seeing people, the same thing run so fast. You understand, run so swift because they did saw him, my viewers and subscribers. They did saw him, but he managed to run because come like same barrel, Usain Bolt foot them when Usain Bolt did a run and I run pan the track them in the Olympic people and he managed to escape. So right about now, people, that are the breaking news I may have on the whole thing. As I say, but they have me a hope and a pray for the best, my viewers and subscribers. So any more update me get on this thing, people, I don't know, so the attacking boss, they have to keep you all posted. So just stay tuned, people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe until we get further reports from out of St.TH0MAS, Jamaica, my people. So for now, that is the report, my people, where we get, you understand, on 13-year-old Hvnting Barrett. You don't know, so the Davy and Brian, who is the alleged abductor, people, you understand, is at large right now, people, police and soldiers still on the hunt for him. Grateful to the mercy of the Almighty for Lisa Prusia, people. She was found alive, you understand, yesterday in the afternoon on the Saturday. But today is Sunday, my people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Hvnting Barrett is still out there, people. Still can't be found. So you don't know, my people. Enough love, enough respect. Remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be safe, and be great.